Right, girls, I'm back again. This is Alan Taylor with Mike in his flat.
Right.
There he is there, folks. Right, we come to this where he is. So
And I'm going to launch my fridge.
he's going to launch his fridge now. I hope he does it right. Here we go.
I'm going over here, so hopefully I get them. And I'll get a good point at it.
Oh, yeah. Replay. He just blew his fridge up. He got sick of it.
Well. Hopefully they'll send me a new one.
Oh well.
Now it's these turns now. I'll have to see what mayhem these cause.
We know a lot.
And I'm going to launch the fridge again. Stop laughing.
I can't help it. I like to know where you get these fridges from. Oh well. You got to stick of that one now.
Oh shit!
Oh dear. There's that one gone. Replay. Yeesh.
Watch it go wipe out here. My God.
Oh dear.
Oh, that'll probably take them all out now. Yep. Oh, I don't think it did. Took one out.
Oh Michael, what you've done.
Oh, they're going to have to rebuild now. Oh.
Well, rebuild. Castle built. Have you got another fridge?
I don't know. I think these might end up launching one.
Have you got another
Oh,
rhino?
it's got a rhino. Oh no.
Well, what's this, folks? Don't laugh too much. Oh, that didn't last long, did it?
That didn't go as well as planned.
Oh dear.
So you get the prospect, guys. It's a really, really good game, this. Worms Forts Under Siege for the Xbox original. I might play on Worms 3D.
Is that one next or?
Just random games that I'm showing.
Okay.
There's two of the best ones that I'll never get rid of on Xbox from the Odd Worlds. Secret Weapons, because I love anything warmy. So Secret Weapons, and one of my favourites is Heroes. Definitely never get rid of them. I've got Blazing Angels, World War II, another good one. I've got Gun, and I've got Forza Motorsport.
Nice.
So I do like my Xbox stuff, and I've also got my 360 stuff as well.
Yeah.
And my PlayStation 2. And here I am again.
You ran out of fridges, folks.
No, I'm going to go and get another one from MFI or IKEA.
Oh, your battery's running out.
Oh, it's not, is it?
Yep. The battery's getting low. Well, I'm going to have to end this vlog.
Oh, wait till... I'll fire the giant crossbow, shall I?
Yeah.
Alan, look! The building turned black.
Oh dear.
Oh well, you gotta wipe them out.
Right, and we'll have to end this vlog now because it's the battery's getting really low now. So,
Right then.
so I'm gonna turn it to Mike, and then I'm gonna end this vlog right now. So please subscribe.
Yep.
And I forgot about the other one, but
and also subscribe to me, guys. MJT Reviews.
yes, please, and please subscribe to us both.
Yeah.
On my channel, I know I changed the name. We have to change it because I'm on the funny side of it, and Mike's the serious side. So anyhow, this is Alan Taylor signing right off right now. Please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.